guys, so it's May 21 and ako na ang punong gawa sa bahay na ito. Yahoo! Last ones. So I'm just gonna hang these and I'm gonna cook lunch. Lagyan natin ay hindi. Para maganda, ang sarap. Nangangamoy yung amoy steak kasi diba kahapon kasi pinry yung steak. So like amoy na amoy siya dun sa oil kasi I'm using used oil. Kasi hindi naman ito agad-agad tinatapos.
Papuntahin kita yung jowa ko? Ano jowa-jowa? Bawal magpapunta ng jowa dito ha? Nay, sige na! Aba, pag sinabi kong bawal.
Di pa pala ganun kainit, pero it's okay. Beginner mistake. Sorry. Wait. So while I'm waiting for it to cook, I'm just editing while watching Raya Velasco. Multitasking queen. Yeah, I know. It's like basic. Ba yan? Putok ng putok? Kalmahan, ha? Kalmahan. So, luto na to. Siguro 5 segundo na lang. Done na i-test. So, gutom na si Tim. So, like, grabe no, bubbles na yun dito. Kasi laging naaanuhan ng oil. So like, it's really bound to be, finished product, guys. Okay, let's eat! Later. Kanina ka pa gutom. So guys, I just woke up earlier and now I'm just gonna steam some shumai and I'm just trying to set this up. So I just need to put some water here. Supposed to just put it like that. Also, may indicator dito. Parang ako nagpo-promote ng product. May indicator dito kung maximum na ba yung or something. And sabi, lagyan daw kahit onting lang. Onting oil para hindi dumikit. need to put this. Ay, Diyos ko. Paano to? Sabi kasi, wag na daw ito. Like, okay. Ganyan? Serious? Are you like serious right now? Ganyan lang talaga. Oh, okay. Sige. Okay, inubos ko na siya. And then, lagay ito. Yan. And then, ito. Then, just 15 minutes. Yun na ba yun? Is that it? Huh? Actually, I'm not quite sure. It's my first time using this and nanood lang ako ng isang video sa YouTube. So like, wish me luck. Parang hindi siya gumagana. Bakit ganon? Is there like a power on here or something? Wala naman. Ah, ayun na. Nag-steam na yung water. Okay. It's like, that's it. Let's just wait for it to cook. Tumutunog na siya. So like, done na ba pag ganun? Bakit nandito pa rin? Yun na yun. 15 minutes na ba? Tingnan ko nga yung video ko. Okay, 15 minutes na nga. So like, okay. Oh, it's hot. Ah! So hot. Ah, okay. I get it. Ooh, looks good. Looks good! OMG! Kain tayo! Tingnan natin. Sorry, I really, touched my palm. Good morning. Hello, it is May 23 and it is a Thursday. And for today, I just have my last test, which is Grace assessment. Actually, matagal na natapos klase namin, but may natira lang talagang assessment for today. And this is a part of our clearance, so ano lang yan, almost 1.5 hour yung test na yon. And then, shotgunin ko lang naman yun, so it should be fine. Kasi assessment yon, sabi nila graded, but I don't think it is. So, hindi ako nag-review or anything. Maasa lang ako sa stock knowledge kong bulok. So yeah, I just have to finish this test, and then I'm finally free from grade 11 hell. Yeah. And then, I just need to wait for my grades to see if pasok pa ako sa honors because from 35, ang last update is 8 lang kaming nakapasok sa honors. So, medyo tagilid ako this quarter kasi hindi ako nakapag-review ng maayos kasi nga, diba, sumabay sa defense. So, yung test scores ko, hindi siya ganun. Like, before, matataas, but ngayon, hindi man lang umaabot sa passing score. So, hoping that I'm still kasama sa honor list. But, yeah, need ko lang yung test ngayon for clearance. And then, yung research namin, need na lang yun ipa-validate sa research department. Wait, marami pang process actually, but I hope by the end of this May, tapos na. Para ma-feel ko naman yung vacation ko. But then, yung June and July vacation ko, it is allotted for UPCAT review. So, hindi rin siya fully ma-enjoy. Pero, I will try not to pressure myself na mag-review. Para kahit papano, hindi ako like, gulo-gulo yung utak na iniisip, sana all may maayos na bakasyon, ganun. So like, it's all about mindset, guys. And yeah, I'll be taking my test with this outfit. Kasi, ba't pa ako maliligo? Di naman to personal. Mamaya na ako maliligo after. So, yeah, it's 8:27 right now. And, ano ba? 9 pa yung start. So, yeah. See you later. Okay, so like we bought na. And wala silang plastic doon. So, we're just, hawak lang namin. But bumili na rin kami ng ulam. And yeah. So, we're now eating. The ulam is tinola and chicken for Timtim. Pinimayan ko lang siya and then kain na ako. Cook dinner now, which is arroz caldo. Arroz caldo by White King.
Okay, I'm going to read it for you guys.
Cooking
Directions. You see that? Boil together 5 cups water and 1 cup and 1 pack White King arroz caldo mix. Stir for 8 to 10 minutes until rice is cooked. Like
Okay
this
na.
or like this.
Yeah. Basta until it's lugaw na. Mukha nga siyang pancake. And let's see the findings. It's just like this.
Expected.
Expected what? Sabi with real ginger. So yan, ganyan lang ang meron sa White King. And I'm just gonna put some water sa ating caldero. Sabi here, boil 5 cups of water. So, ikaw na assistant ko. Paglagay ka ng 5 cups of water dyan.
Iinumin ba?
No? Ano may inumin? At may inumin, iboboil na, di ba?
Hindi na lang ginamit.
Kapag nagluluto ako, and then, kailangan ng tubig, ito talaga. Kahit iboboil pa yan, drinking water talaga. Ayoko ng tap water. That's third.
Hindi na naman ako sa Otter Era. See that?
I love doing this kasi parang like, ang healthy lang ng water, yung rice water. Diba nga, nilalagay siya sa mga skincare. Ganun. Uy, mali! Steamer yung naano ko.
Bra! Ulo ko!
Huwag kang OA.
Ikaw talaga ang may epilepsy.
Sige, pag nalaglag to, hindi mo hinahawakan sa baba.
Kakanin lang to ah.
Oo, pag nalaglag.
Hindi, I mean, kanin lang yung laman.
It's bigas.
Ay, hindi! Oh my God!
Ang bango!
Oh my God!
Hindi lang siya kanin, may flour din siya. Bango guys, ang bango.
Oh, that's so addicting.
Ang bango, lugaw talaga siya. Okay guys, so let's put it in. Ah.
Hi!
Ching! Tingnan niyo lang ano.
Bro, ano yan?
Kasi nga, matigas pa yung rice. It's like boiling na, oh. But, nagbubuo yung rice. Stop, don't tell me this is epic fail. Or baka dapat binoil ko na. Boil together! Ay. Oo nga, boil together. Aray ko.
What happened, guys?
So everyone, I'm just steaming egg. No? Meron pa. And yung lugaw, I don't know, it's epic fail. Nilagyan ko siya ng patis kasi wala talaga siyang lasa. But, and I think it's because I didn't boil it together when the pack clearly says boil together. Eh, ang inuna ko, binoil ko muna yung water. And also, feeling ko, naparami yung water. Anyways, here's the egg. There's the lugaw, pero hindi raw siya lugaw. Para lang siyang random soup. Puro ako mukbang. Sarap, no? Sarap?
Yeah, pero hindi siya lugaw.
So guys, the egg is boiled and I'm gonna show you a trick paano mabalatan agad. First, you put water here. Kahit anong water, kahit tap water. Then, sorry, marami akong utensils ngayon. Just, you know, put them sa water. Submerge them sa water. Aray ko. Oopsies. Yeah, para malamig agad. Cheers! Cheers!
So, I think because 13 members ang 17 and there's foreigners. Joshua foreigner, si June foreigner, si Minghao foreigner, tapos si Vernon foreigner. So, hindi sila magkaano, pati si Song Chol kasi exempted siya. So, for confirmed na si Jonghan na magme-military, pero hindi pa confirmed kung kailan yung date. So, sana naman sumama si Wonu tapos si Hoshi sa kanya. Para kahit na sabay-sabay sila mag-ayatos, sabay-sabay din sila babalik. So, kapag sabay-sabay sila mag-ayatos, konti na lang yung waiting time, ganun. Tapos, si Mingyu, tapos Ronan, si Dino, sana magsabay-sabay na sila. Para 8 years, para yung 8 years maging 6 years na lang, maging short time na. So yan, that's my opinion for enlistments. I don't need to worry about that my opinion.
na nakita mo sa TikTok.
Hindi totoo yun! Kasi diba 8 years? 8 years, di 8 years! Tapos 2 years every person, diba? Kapag sabay-sabay sila, hindi okay. Uy, tagal ko na yung sinabi!
Pero galing pa rin sa
Hindi galing yun sa akin. And we'll be in a world of pure innocence. Ang pogi ni Minion! Ang sarap!
I cried. But at least I'm so gorgeous.
Freebies para sa mga pasahero. Malakas na ulan, isang puno rin ang nabuwal at nabagsakan ng isang dumaraang tricycle. Sugatan at agad idinala sa ospital.
Mabilis lang.
Ilan? Gusto ko yung... Ano nga yun?
Okay, go. Na-unbox siya ng new toys niya.
Isara mo mata mo. Go. Isara mo mata mo habang binubuksan. Go. Evan.
Wag na kasi. Dami mong pakulo. Akin na.
Wala, na-miss ko
Magbukas.
Last bukas ko.
Hala naman. Grabe naman. Ay, wag mo tingnan yung resibo. Surprise nga eh. Yeah!
Ayaw ba yan? Dapat yan. Sino mas matangkad? Siya o si Naruto?
Siyempre si Spider-Man.
Dapat kukaan.
Ihi. What can you say?
Thank you.
Grabe, ayaw mo kay Spider-Man?
Wait, mamaya.
Hey, you looking at me, looking at you. How you doing? But you're wondering if I had some time to spend. But that depends all on you. So what you wanna do? Tired of the games. I ain't got a